I need to quote the service job, but I can never remember what part number to enter. Does that sound familiar to anybody? Have you ever considered using kits to simplify your service jobs? Oftentimes, recurring service jobs, such as oil changes, tune-ups, etc., require the same standard parts and labor every time you perform that service. Using kits, we can wrap these parts and labor lines into one simple line item, for example, oil change, and then type that into our description box and automatically have all of the parts and labor that would typically go into that oil change fall onto the invoice for us. For example, the air filter and the 4 liters of oil, plus a line for labor in this example. This makes it really easy for your people to account for everything that is included in that service job without having to struggle remembering what part numbers or searching for different part numbers. It will do it automatically for them. It also simplifies things for your customers who can just see a nice clean description with everything that's gone into that work. Contact our sales team today to see how we can help simplify your service using kits.